next one is Jerky Stroganoff. This is really my wife's recipe. She cooks this one, but I eat the heck out of it. But it's called Jerky Stroganoff, and you use 1.5 pounds of diced jerky, half a cup diced onion, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup mushrooms sliced, 1 8-ounce can tomato paste, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup sour cream, and 1 10-ounce package of noodles. And again, you soak the jerky in warm water for about 10 minutes, then drain off the water. You melt the butter in a large skillet and add the onions, the garlic, the salt, and the pepper. Saute that for about 3 minutes until it gets soft, and you stir it occasionally to keep it from burning. Then you add the jerky and the paprika. You cook that for about 2 minutes. Then you sprinkle in the flour, continuing to stir because this will thicken up the broth a little bit. You add the tomato paste and mix well, simmering for about 10 minutes. You remove that from heat and stir in the mushrooms and the sour cream. And you heat that thoroughly, but you don't boil it. And off to the side, you have go ahead and cook your noodles according to the directions on the package. You drain and you top with the meat sauce.